What's up, folks? Welcome back to the garage. We are here with my younger son. Say hello. Hello. And we are adding some LSD oil to the diff, and then we take the car down, and then we will test it on gravel. I hope the diff lock holds, and after that I think we will remove to the asphalt tarmac, so we will test how it works. We have a special LSD oil, and we are pouring it first to another can. That's much easier to use, and with that we can easily fill the diff. But first I have to tighten the bolts, and then we will add the oil and take the car down. Stop! Drive 2 warm-up laps so the diff warms up. Thanks. Now I have prepared the start line, a little bit loose gravel. I will guide my son here, so this will help a little bit. I try to a little bit more. Perfect, yes, perfect. Joo, valmista on. Woohoo! Yes! Yes, perfect. It seems to work quite okay. How it felt?
Good.
Good, yeah?
Working.
Yes, it's working perfect. And we put some rags between the trunk and body. And how is the noise?
Now it's quiet, no more colina.
No. Oh, it's not squeaking and rumbling anymore, so it's perfect. That's good. And last time you used about 3000, little bit under RPM, yeah. So let's take something like 3500 or 3700. It's a little bit more rowdy and nice. So just a sec, I will take my position behind the car. Oh yes. Now we changed the driver. Well done. Can you show the marks on the road? You did well. It was about 4,000. And next I will try to raise the RPM a little bit, and we will test also what happens when I hit the second gear with well, I try to shift quite fast, but we will see. And after that we will move to the tarmac. We will use a little bit of water, so I hope we don't break the diff in our first test. But now back to the action. What a great fun! You can see the diff, it's not leaking oil, which is nice, and I think it's still okay. But we don't have just enough power. This engine is, well, there's the carburetors and ignition and a little bit smaller, not bigger exhaust valve, but almost stock engine, so stock cam, so it just need more power. But as you could see, there was two stripes on asphalt or tarmac also, so the diff is working, which is nice. Thank you very much, RacingDiffs. And we have a little bit wider tires. These are 190/95, 65 or 15. These steel wheels are a little bit wider than stock ones, so there's a little bit more grip. And but we managed to spin both wheels on gravel and on tarmac. And next I will take this car to the dyno. We will see how much there's a power in this engine. Now we have diff, so it's a little bit easier. And we have the power engine here with the K-cam ready. So after the dyno I will put this in 145, and then we will take it again to the dyno, and then we will do the same test again with engine that has, I hope, at least a little bit more power that we will need. What a test! I hope you had a great fun behind the screens. At least we had a lot of fun with my younger son. It's a great help that he helps me with the driving and filming. It's much more easier to do with a pair than what I normally do is alone. That's a little bit more difficult. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and comments down below. I almost have 1,500 subscribers already in this channel, so all the thumbs and comments help me a lot. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that, and also ring the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.